Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cool piggy with stylish glasses. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing the nose first. Next, draw the super cool sunglasses. Then, draw the front body and the front right leg. Now, draw the front left leg. Don't forget the little round tummy. Next, draw the back body and the back left leg. Draw the back right leg. Now, it's time to draw the head. Let's draw the left ear. Let's draw the right ear too. Next, draw the cute curly tail. Finally, draw the mouth. Our cool pig sketch is all done. Ready to color it in? Let's go! Use dark gray to color the sunglasses. Color the nose with dark pink. Use the same dark pink for all four hooves. Don't forget to color the tail with dark pink too. Add a little blush on the cheeks with dark pink, it'll look so cute. Then, use light pink to color the rest of the body. Our pig looks super cute and cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.